Yo, Nut.
Yo, what it do?
Man, quit playing the game, man, and come on.
Alright, give me a minute.
Man, I need you to do your verse real quick.
Alright, fuck it.
Dang.
Nope, this is not a game, so I'ma let the beat bang, Nope, this is not a game, so I'ma let the beat bang. I try to be different, but I'm no different. I'm addicted to this money and these women, man, the game is overrated.
They say the money and the clothes don't make the man, but why the money and the clothes make you hate a man? Damn, there's too many bitches in here to be worried about niggas. Y'all is overrated. Don't know nobody now since you made it. You and your entourage that you came with. Fuck y'all, a little exposure got you thinking can't nobody touch y'all. I'm wrong. Most of y'all probably won't even like this song. And yes, I do copyright my songs, so I own my shit. You can Google me for any further references. Y'all be on that extra shit, that white no substance. I be working hard all day, every day I barely club it. My girlfriend wanna bust the windows, I'ma call like Jasmine Sullivan, cause I ain't got time for it like a broken clock.
Different, but I'm no different. I'm addicted to this money and these women, man, the game is overrated. Nope, this is not a game, so I'ma let the beat bang, Nope, this is not a game, so I'ma let the beat bang,
I hope that one day I can have a spot higher up. And how I feel about this game, I'm fired up. When we in the booth, I tell my group to stay wired up. Critics say that we the hottest out, I guess they lied to us. It feels like it's all bunk dudes getting on, worried about the fashion and they crews getting on. These dudes is getting on, we spitting bars to a track that really ain't got shit to even do with a song. So why every nigga got smart shit to say and worrying about a chick you played your cards with today? Wanna spit a hot rhyme to get paid the right way, trying to be the king or call yourself God like Jay. And cats getting raped and fucked out of deal just for songs to be heard, then you must got a meal. This game is overrated, just to make it you gotta be creative and take it to the way that no one else has made it.
I try to be different, but I'm no different. I'm addicted to this money and these women, man, the game is overrated. Nope, this is not a game, so I'ma let the beat bang, Nope, this is not a game, so I'ma let the beat bang,
The game is overrated, but the new generation keep me motivated. Make a song about anything and they'll play it. But my team, I believe we gonna make it. In this game, yeah, we toxic wasted. We ain't got no time to be wasting. I told 2K we should've been rich. He said shaking my head, that's some real shit. Nigga, we are the business. Y'all can stay sick, we the illest. This is real life and we're the realest. We live a high life, but no millers. Yeah, I bet the world gon' feel us. Soon I'ma tell Chauncey get his bills up. This beat grilled up, third lane in this bitch, motherfucker. You niggas gon' fear us.
I try to be different, but I'm no different. I'm addicted to this money and these women, man, the game is overrated. Nope,